Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up the week of October 31st through the November 6th. This is the vertical planner that I use as my wellness and fitness planner. And the theme I'm going with actually doesn't come from a challenge. A lot of the challenges aren't quite out yet. But I got, so for Prime Day on Amazon, some of the Happy Planner stuff was discounted. This was the one sticker book that I absolutely had to get. Unfortunately, the two Michaels and Joann's, all of the stores nearest me, didn't have it. I would have had to drive more than an hour each way to go and get it. So when it went on sale, I snagged it, and now I want to use it. So let's get this show on the road. I have already pulled all of my prompts. I print these myself. I do have a video on how to do that. I will link it in the cards up above. But I want to make you aware, Baker Lane Studio, I've been working with Katie, and we do have a couple different options for next year. You can print your entire layout, or you can print her set of prompts. And I do have a link in the description box. If you sign up for her no spam newsletter, you will get a discount. So, and those are electronic, those are digital downloads. So you can get the undated version that's already got all the hydration prompts and everything on there, or you can just do these sticker prompts if you have a vertical layout that you really love. So lots of options there. All right, so this also then is one of the new sets of overlay tapes that came out from Girl Boss Anna. You can see they've got a really pretty kind of, that is a holographic sparkle. It's hard to see, but there is a rainbow in that. This is the treat set. There is a trick set, which is basically these same four colors, but they're more vibrant. So I'm going to use all but the purple. I think these three colors definitely can coordinate with this sticker book. So let's get started. I am going to start, I think, with my center row of boxes, which is the place where I do food diary, workout information, and my hydration sticker. So I'm going to use, I think I'll use the light gray because it's as neutral as I can get, and that way then I can fill out the little water drops with a highlighter in a color that matches. I want to see if there are, okay, so I'm going to use these as my workout boxes. Let's just grab 4 of these. I need Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. So I'm just going to grab 4. We'll just grab the top 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my center row, like I said, is workout, hydration, and food diary. You can get as specific as you want. I don't get super specific. I'm looking for, are there any to-do lists in here? I love, this is so, here we go. This is so my design aesthetic. So these to-do lists have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bullet points. I usually do 4, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and then I can overlap my hydration sticker on the bottom. So this is a shortcut if you don't want to use tons and tons of bullet points. This is a fun little shortcut that can work for you. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up. I'm going to grab my tweezers and just rotate through these colors. I'm putting down, like I said, a to-do list, and then I can cover that bottom bullet point with my hydration sticker, and I'll put my workout boxes on there. I like to work out late morning, so for me that turns into, actually what I could do now, I'll just kind of stick this here. I like to work out late morning, so I usually put that between the top 2 bullet points. So having already sped this up, I will be back. I do have a video on how I print my I use Canva. I don't have a video on how I make my hydration stickers, but once you get used to using Canva, it's super, super easy. So center section is done. So my bottom section then is where these journaling prompts go. So sometimes I like to put full box stickers down here to fill them in. Let's just take a quick flip through here and see if there are any good ones. Those are Halloween. Okay, there are a few, but they are the ones that have those ginormous florals sticking out, so I don't think I want to use those. Okay, so let's just go ahead and stick these on. All right. Let's see now. I want to go ahead and put... I was debating whether or not I want to use some of those new Girl Boss Anna overlay tapes on over the days and dates, so we could try that. I'm going to white out this week's list, which I won't have to do next year if I use Katie's printables, because that's not there. Okay, let's use the orange scale, and I think I'll put it over one of these in green. Just weigh in once a week, trust me. Any more than that and you will drive yourself crazy. So I think with that sticker there, I don't want to try to cover up the dates, but we can see about using some of these over top of my my prompts over here. Let's see how the stuff shows through. Yeah, that shows through. Can you guys see that? So maybe I'll go like every other between the peach and the gray. I'm missing a prompt. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm missing one. What's missing? Where did it go? It would not be the first time Jasper stole a sticker. Watching, I'm missing feeling. Where did feeling go? All right, well, I'll find it at some point. Maybe we'll just skip feeling this week. Let's put a peach one. If I find it, I can stick it back on there. I don't know where. It's probably stuck to my elbow or something. I gotta pause it. I'm not gonna lie. This is gonna drive me nuts. Okay, I found it. It was stuck to the back of my sticker book somehow. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how that happened, but all right, let's go ahead and fill in our sidebar here. So this, in the original Happy Planner Wellness and Fitness Planner, the Breathe Planner, said exercise. I just substituted keto for that, and I just put a smiley face or a frowny face on there, depending on, you know, whether I indulged a little bit or if I was a good girl. So, and Katie's is blank, so when you print that out, you can put whatever you want there. You can do mood or whatever you want. Watching, we just finished watching the Netflix series Sandman. It's based on a comic book that my husband and I both read back before we met. A love of comic books is one of the many things we found that we had in common. I'll just pick a word for feeling when I flip to this spread on Monday the 31st. I really honestly haven't been listening to much still. I've been doing a lot of reading, so sometimes we'll play a little bit of music. It has finally, after months, and mind you, I live just outside of Seattle. It has been months since we got rain, and we finally got some rain. So I've been listening to the rain too. Reading, I found a new author. So I got a free book by an author named Kyla Stone. I think it was called Edge of Darkness or something. And I read that entire book in like 2 days. It was so good. I haven't been that sucked into a book in a long time. So it's the first of a series of 7, and she actually wrote a prequel and an epilogue. And so I read the first one, I read the prequel, I'm reading the second one right now, and it is so good. So, and then positive words, same thing with feeling. I'll pick a word when I flip to this spread on the first day. All right, so journaling, food diary and stuff, currently stuff. All we have left then is decoration across the top. And of course, we're going to go back to this book for that. I want to definitely grab a quote. I want maybe something up here for weekend banner. There were some. Here we go. Slow down and enjoy the moment. That's fun for a wellness spread. Keep calm and snuggle up. That's also good. I could put them in opposite corners, actually. I don't think there is anything else in here that's really perfectly shaped to be like a weekend banner. Okay, oh, I love this. Live in the sunshine and dance in the rain. I should put that on there since I actually just mentioned how long it's been since we got any rain. Look at that great big one. That is so pretty. I mean, it'll fit. It's designed to fit, but I feel like a big sticker like that I would like more in, say, my dashboard planner where it isn't just super tight squished in there. So let's put Live in the Sunshine, Dance in the Rain on here. I think I want it up here, and then we'll put, I think I want another one down here opposite. Just love that style of artwork. That watercolor style of artwork is my favorite. It is up to you to see the beauty of everyday things. I like that too. I really do. Slow down and enjoy the moment. Now that we're finally getting rain, slow down and enjoy the moment. I like that too. Let's put that one down here. Okay. Now we just need to fill in the in-between spaces. So I could layer something like this over top of more of these tapes. Time for adventure, keep warm and snuggle up, sweater weather, I like that. I want to make sure I don't end up with either of these quotes on here a second time. So like slow down and enjoy the moment, right there it is again, slow down and enjoy the moment. So I got to be careful not to put that on there a second time. Ooh, those are cute. I'm having trouble reading that font. Today, reminder, I think, does that say important? Important. Wow, that's hard to read. Celebrate, priority, weekend plans. Wow. I like fancy fonts, but not when they're difficult to read. Just saying. Which, if you watch my hand lettering videos, I'm always talking about the letters being recognizable. These are so cute. I kind of want, well, I feel like if I put a big paper sticker here, it balances with that one, but it doesn't balance with that one. So maybe we'll save those for a different spread. Let's come back to the quotes and the clothes. Here's a big piece of clothing. And I can use the gray ones as shadows, right? So let's grab a couple of these and put down here. Come on, cat hair. Jasper was here while I had the camera paused looking for that sticker. Keep warm and snuggle up. Sweater weather. How about sweater weather? Oh yeah, that looks so cool. I like that. Okay. And then let's try to find a small one for here. Again with the gray. Maybe one that'll just as wide as one instead of two. Rainy day. Oh, there were some that were, yeah, these. Warm wishes, sweater weather. I have sweater weather. How about, ooh, I like this. Cuddle up with the with the bunny slippers. How cute is that? I don't know if you guys can tell, those are bunny slippers. Okay, cute. I kind of want these pumpkins down here in this corner. Oops, every time. I'm a little all over the place on this spread, I feel like. And these socks, are there more? Yes, look at those socks. How about, I got slippers there. I need a blanket. There's no blanket in here? There's no blanket in here. This one's a little pile of clothing. This one's just going to be all about the snuggly warm clothes, I think. Something for right there. Something for right there. Maybe some florals and we'll call it good. Oh, those are so cute. I'm gonna have to do a spread using all of these. Okay, here's some florals. Let's put some florals on here and that'll be enough. So here's a nice small one. Oh, that's interesting. It ripped. That's weird. That's okay. We'll do some reconstructive sticker surgery. How about that? And then I think another one just kind of here and we'll be all done. I mean, it's just that easy. Or maybe a longer one that goes across here, like this one. I know that's 2 stickers in a row coming down from the top, but I think that's okay. That balance is pretty good. That looks pretty good. I like that. The bottom down here is a little empty. I know there are no long quotes, but maybe could I just put a couple strips of this down here? Would that look weird? I think that's about my only option if I want to stay within this book. Yep. All right, let's put a couple strips. The only question is what color? I'm feeling like green. I know I'm biased. Green is my favorite color, but that's what we're going with. And these are all different lengths. So I picked the longest one. That's the length of 4 columns. These are the perfect length to go, or the perfect color to go with the green splatters that are already on the page. And then there should be one, looks like this one is 3 columns wide, so that's perfect for the other side. There we go. All right, just a little something to put down there. So that is it. My first fall feeling spread. Let's put it in my planner. I am a rep for Girl Boss Anna, I forgot to mention. So if you put in the coupon code JUDI10, Judi10, you'll get 10% off your order. And if you comment Judi on your order, you'll get my free sampler, which is the greens from the Sea Glass collection. So I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you to go ahead and try decorating if you're not yet. Maybe if you've been considering a wellness and fitness planner, you can see some potential here and you'll go ahead and start one. Maybe if you're looking for an idea, there are so many beautiful planners coming out for 2023. This gives you an idea how you can use another planner. So if you like this video, please do consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.